Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
European shares gained in a positive start to the last quarter of this year, as a slew of bleak economic activity data helped ease some jitters around the pace of monetary policy tightening by central banks to stamp out runaway inflation. The financial service provider MasterCard will launch a new crypto service related to risk management. MasterCard's new service, Crypto Secure, is aimed to help banks find and prevent fraud on crypto merchant platforms. Greenco Group, one of India's largest renewable energy companies, hopes to list in London in the future as it builds the world's largest integrated grid-scale renewable energy storage project in the southern state of Andhra Pradesh. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 3.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.2% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. Facebook shares dropped 0.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market, supporting the technical analysis negative signal. The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's exports at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index will be released at 2130 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US ADP employment change at 12:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.